Hello, it's a number of years now since I kicked this gardening channel off with my dog Molly. Molly was my constant companion, gardening assistant. She would stick her nose into the shop whenever she could, and if there were small potatoes, which we christened Molly's because she always got them, or carrots, she had to have one. She just did. She had to have one, and she always got one. Always. But some years ago, Molly went on ahead. And I have some fond memories of Molly, and I have some fond memories of Molly through this channel, through YouTube. I've found a short clip of video. I believe Molly and I had been for a walk that day, and I'd been working in the garden. I don't think she was showing a lot of interest. I think I may have been planting potatoes. I can't remember. I certainly wasn't harvesting potatoes, more likely to be planting them. And when I'd done that, I decided it was time for a snack and a cup of tea. That's where Molly poked her nose in again. She wasn't going to miss a trick. Now when you look at this very short video, this is how I treat my dog. This is how everybody should treat the dog, I believe. I'm fairly sure most of you out there do. I'm fairly sure you do. Okay, enjoy that video. Catch you next time, hopefully with some gardening video. Is there any better way of finishing off a day's gardening than having a cup of tea and sharing a pasty with your dog? I don't think there is there? This is how to do it. Is that nice, Mo? Yeah, I know I shouldn't speak with my mouth full, but I am. There is no better way of finishing off a day in the garden than having a nice cup of tea and being able to share some food with your dog. Is there? Piece for me, piece for Molly. That nice, Mo? If you're, just in case you're wondering what it is, it's corned beef pasty. Some for me, and some for you. Good girl. If you've enjoyed the video that you've just watched, don't forget to give me and Molly a thumbs up. Put a bit of work into this, don't we, sweetheart? Yes, we do. Well, darling, how's that? Nice. There's not much left, Mo. It's a bit cold out here today, and I haven't seen much of Molly. She's watched me out of the window, but she wouldn't stick her nose outside until she saw me come outside with this pasty and this cup of tea. And then she nearly knocked me over to get out before me. Didn't you, Mo? You knew. You knew. Did you get something, didn't you? Yes, you did. Hold on. Okay, so don't forget that thumbs up that I've asked you for. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Should be. Shouldn't they, Mo? There should be a subscriber. Yes, there should. last bit for me and last bit for you. There's your piece. That's my piece. No more left, Molly. So this is Homegrown Veg and my mate Molly signing out.